Hello and welcome to Free VBA Tips. Today we are going to understand how we can fix operation not permitted error that comes on the terminal. So this is because of some new security settings that Mac has, and we will do it in a minute. So first of all, let me just show you the error, how that error comes, how beautiful it looks. So this is my terminal window over here, and I am trying to rename a folder, and I run this command and I hit OK, and I get this beautiful error, operation not permitted. So as I understand that there is some permission issue, so let us fix that one. So we go to launchpad over here, and I think you cannot see my other windows. Launchpad, and just sorry, you go to your settings. Yes, this window you can see settings, and go to security and privacy, and then choose full disk access over here. So before that, you have to click on this lock to unlock it, and unlock it. Now click on this plus icon and go to applications on your left and choose utilities, and then choose terminal. So we are going to give permission to terminal. Yeah, so it is saying that full disk until quit. Okay, so quit now, so that it will refresh the permission. And now my terminal is gone, and I close this one as well. Now I come back over here and type terminal and open the terminal and see if I can rename the folder now. So I go and paste my command and I hit OK. So it's executed and it's working fine. Wow. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in comments, and for similar kind of videos you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.